Welcome back. Today I'm making a simple keyhole slot jig. The first thing I did was measure the exact dimensions of my router base. My router base measured 4 1/16 by 4 7/8. I had 1 inch for the keyhole slot. To make the frame of the jig, I'm cutting 2 pieces to 5 7/8 inch long and 2 pieces at 9 9/16 inch long. I'm using scrap plywood that is 2 3/4 inch wide, so I have to add that to the width. To attach the frame, I use pocket holes and wood glue. Before securing with screws, I make sure my router base moves freely inside the frame. To use the jig, simply clamp it to your workpiece, insert the router from one end, create the slot, and then remove the router from the same position you started. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.